He washes the dishes carefully. She writes notes in class. They play cricket after school. He waters the garden plants. She paints pictures on paper. They share snacks during break. He locks the front door. He opens the gift box. They read stories before bed. He listens to loud music. She takes photos in park. They watch TV after dinner. She folds the clean clothes. He welcomed the guest at door. She makes tea for guests. They clean the living room. She feeds the baby milk. She checks the shopping list. They enjoy ice cream cones. He turns off the lights. She arranges flowers in vase. They wait for the bus. He carries bags from market. She irons the school uniform. They bake cookies on weekends. He fixes the broken tab. She draws pictures in notebook. He drinks tea every morning. She puts books on shelf. They clap after the song. He ties his shoelaces quickly. They play music very loudly. He writes in his diary. She washes her hands often. They watch stars at night. He cleans the garden path. She packs lunch for school. They wear jackets in winter. He calls his mother daily. He wipes the table clean. He feeds the street dogs. She carries books to class. They swim in the big pool. She closes the shop early. They fix the broken fence. He catches the morning bus. She brushes her hair daily. He keeps money in wallet. She sweeps the floor daily.